Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today this is the last trip, Nice all the way to London, where we are going to make stop in 3 supercharger and we are going to show you very nice video from Reims Cathedral. So stay tuned for it. Our last trip, Nice to London. Hope you enjoy it. Our first stop will be in Aix-en-Provence, where there is a good supercharger. Then Montélimar, out of the highway. And then we'll go to a next stop in Mâcon supercharger, to arrive in Reims for the night, where we stay there and visit the cathedral in Reims. And on the next day, we'll take our way back to the Eurotunnel train and some video at the bonus at the end. Aix-en-Provence is very nice to visit. It's just above Marseille, 30 minutes on top of Marseille, and the only place to find supercharger near Marseille. They have 4 supercharger stalls next to the Novotel Hotel, but what they have as well is a Calisson d'Est, a very good delicatessen from Aix-en-Provence. If you stay there, visit the city as well, a lot to see there. Did you drive 1,000 miles with your Tesla? Please let me know in the comment below. And if you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button as well. What we did for this long trip is to prepare to stop every 2 hours, and that's why we are going to show you those superchargers today. This way we can relax, take a break, have a drink, and of course recharge the car. We are going to arrive in Montélimar, and in Montélimar, this is a town of around 40,000 people who live in this city. The city is below Valence and between Marseille and Lyon. You have a supercharger in Valence as well if you don't want to make the one in Montélimar. But what you can have in Montélimar is also some specialties, and that's why we like to buy them every time we stop there. Those are called nougat. Nougat of Montélimar. It's some delicatessen made with nuts. What I like about the stop in Montélimar is that the parking is reserved for Tesla. So that's very good. You don't have ICE car or petrol car parking and blocking the space. And you have plenty of space there. There are 16 supercharger available, and as you can see, on that day we were the only one charging, so we had maximum speed. It was really good. This parking is located just outside of the highway, so you have to pay the toll to get out and then drive to the Ibis Hotel, and it's located inside the hotel parking lot, which is quite good because then you can use the toilets and the restaurants of the hotel. People are extremely nice there and very welcoming you. We didn't stay too long that day to recharge, so we are back on the road for our next stops. What we noticed this time, so this is a winter trip on the way back, and you see there's not too many people on the highway with us, and there was no truck as well. So if you drive on a Sunday, there is no truck on the road. We then arrive in Mâcon. Mâcon is one of the largest supercharger with 20 stalls available for charging, 150 kilowatt each. So this supercharger is not in the highway. You have to get out, pay the toll, as usual in France. Now we get used to it. It's not in the city of Mâcon either. It's on the countryside, but it's a beautiful site. It's next to a hotel of restaurants called La Vieille Ferme. Unfortunately for us, twice on the way down, on the way back up, it was closed, mainly due to COVID and some repairs that they are doing at the hotel. So we could not use the bathroom facility and we had to go to a nearby hotel for that. But it's quite a large parking, and you always meet other Tesla drivers from all over Europe, and it's a great way to discuss with them and spend a little bit of quality time. There are animals on the grass next door. There is a little lake available, so for kids it's very enjoyable to go and see and walk around. you can walk around the lake as well if you want. When we finish our stop in Mâcon, we took the road again, and this time, our next stop, we are going to be in Reims, where we were planning to spend the night. And this time we decided to book an Airbnb in the center of the city to be able to walk around on the next day. Reims is a city in the northeast of France. You see, well above Paris and on the east side. It's around 200,000 people will live there, and it's quite a historical city. It was founded by the Gauls and became a major city during the Roman Empire, and also well known for its champagne. So the Champagne region, a lot of great champagne come from Reims as well. So if you stop there, please go and buy some good champagne for your way back. Well done if you made it all the way to this part of the video, and now I'm going to show you the city of Reims. This is the Subay Mountain. This fountain was erected in the middle of the Place d'Erlon by André Najou in 1906, thanks to Subay's generosities. There is also in Reims trams going through the city, and we are lucky enough to go and see one pass by us on the morning before we left to visit the Cathedral of Reims. Oh, it was cold that day, and that's probably why you don't see that many people in the street. It was also very foggy, but it was okay for us because the highlight of the day was to visit the Reims Cathedral, or Notre Dame de Reims. This is a church was created in the 5th century. It's a Roman Catholic church. It was then rebuilt between the 13th century and the 15th century, so 200 years to build that church. This church is very well known because it was also the place used for the coronation of the King of France. And you can see the work that was done for building that church is incredible. Unfortunately, it was badly damaged during the World War I and also during the French Revolution. But it was rebuilt and restored to a magnificent place. The next morning, we didn't have a lot of juice in the car, so we went to the supercharger in Reims, and this is very good because it's very well located near the city center. And on top of that, you have 12 superchargers who are 250 kilowatts. Those are the third generation charger. So we took the road back to Eurotunnel for our way back to the UK. And this is the end of the video, just before the bonus, so stay for the bonus. Thank you for watching. Please comment if you have any comments, this helps me a lot. Subscribe and like that video. See you soon. Bye.